how to make shirts on Roblox mobile. If you want to make your own shirts on Roblox mobile, we're going to do this with the help of an application called MakerBlox. So download this MakerBlox application from your Play Store or App Store. It is completely free. So once you launch MakerBlox, just wait for the application to load up first of all, and I'll just wait for this to load up. Remember that it's a free application, so you might have to deal with a little bit of ads here and there. So here you can see I just got a couple of ads. I'll just wait until this ad has finished showing itself. So after the ad closes, here you can see these different options. Make sure you're under the short tab, and from shirts you can just choose a short that you want. So some of these could be free, for some you have to deal with the ads. So I'll just choose a shirt over here to show you guys. Now you can choose the design for your shorts, like in the case of abstraction, you can add some stickers to it if you want to. You can add some camouflage as well. You can add some colors, you can add clothes, loopers, shapes, whatever it is that you want, right? So you can just go ahead and select all these different options. And once you've selected your shirt and you think that this is ready, just save this shirt to your phone by tapping the save button from the top right hand side, and the file will be saved. After this, what we do is we actually open our browser on phone and go to roblox.com and log into our account. After logging in, just go to the option called create from the top right over there. So tap on the create option. When you come to create, you'll come to this page again. So what you want to do is tap on the three lines button from the top left and go to the option called creations, as you can see there. Now from creations, what you want to do is go to the option avatar items and select the option classics. From classics, under the filter tab, you want to select the option classic t-shirts. Now when you've done that, just scroll down and tap on upload asset and upload that particular file we just saved from the MakerBlox app. So you tap the upload button now and you just go ahead and choose your photos and videos. And then you basically go ahead and then choose your shirts in this case. So I'll go to my gallery, then I'll choose a shirt that I saved, and here I can give it a name. I can add in a description, I can tap the upload button, and uploading will require us to have a few amount of Robux, maybe 10 Robux, and once done, your shirt will be uploaded. And this is how you can make your own shirts on Roblox mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.